Yeah. Yeah. Graph on the beat. DC on the mic. Just thinking. Figured I might as well write it down, right? Spit it for y'all. Look. Just been writing in my room for a couple days. Could've left, but honestly, man, I just love the cave. And it's a shame that instead of trying to get away of the pain life brings, I'll sit alone and masturbate. Just joking, I honestly might disgust you, but I've been smoking, I truly don't give a fuck you. Probably wonder why I even bother writing songs. I just love the microphone. Rather spend my life alone than to spend it with someone else and only hating it. I'm too selfish and immature for relationships. They sometimes last long, but it's wrong, cause that only happens when there's more than one girlfriend involved. And I've evolved like Jigglypuff to Wigglytuff. Ghetto ass studio was built with like 50 bucks. And though it seems like making it is far-fetched, I can almost feel it a couple steps or a far stretch of distance between me and a rich environment. To give my mother a really early retirement. And as the days go by, I try to better myself. But look, this world's fucked up, I'm getting fed up myself. God only knows what could go and tempt the fool. The empty pistol ammunition on in elementary school. Innocent lives of kids and his own motherfucker should have taken his own life instead of others. But instead of the news leaving him nameless, they give his name and information, making him famous. So the next sick and twisted coward on a reckless mission kills a couple kids to get his name on television. Damn. That's just my view of this shit. If you agree that I wrote this track for you, I admit that I did a couple songs about cars and some change for the times that I thought that I needed some mainstream shit. But I remain the sick and deranged ridiculous lyricist when I illustrate these thick, vivid images that I like to paint with my writtens. Listen, quitting is just something that I can't do. Maybe it's just staying in my blood, and I never regret my past, it just was what it was. But it betters me in my craft, made me what I become. So I guess that my past is why it does what I does, Said I never regret my past, it just was what it was. But it betters me in my craft, made me what I become. So I guess that my past is why it does what I does, nigga.